Hello students, welcome back to Vista's Learning. As you know, at Vista's Learning, we provide quality education and that's for all the students out there who are waiting for different section, different chapter, different classes, explanation of the chapter. You can just visit Vista's Learning and you'll get all the solution, all the answers related to your book. Now, with that flow, we will start our today's class. What we have done previously? Previously, we have completed numbers. Ascending order, descending order, expanded form, written words, biggest number, smallest number, everything we have completed about our chapter 2, which was numbers. We have done 4-digit number, how we can pronounce 4-digit number. 1000 is included, 100 is included, tens is also included with ones also. Now, here are few questions because this is a revision time session. So, I will focus on revising all the sections we have covered in chapter 2. Before we start, let's read out the question. What is the question written? First question and second question. So, this is our greatest 4-digit number. We have started with 4-digit number, what we call them 1000, and we will also write the answers accordingly. Greatest number and smallest number. Let's see how it is done. Although I have explained you how to write biggest number, how to find biggest number, or how to write smallest number and also find smallest number in the sequence itself, isn't it? So, when your teacher gives this kind of question, it is from your book. If you can't solve this out or read all the questions properly, solve these kinds of questions in your copy itself. If you have already solved it, really thankful and really congrats that you are able to solve all the questions related to your book. Now, what is the number written over here? Is 5, 8, 7 and 2. We have to find the greatest number. So, the greatest number is always the biggest one. In the sequence, if you go and see, which is the biggest number over here, the greatest one is 8. So, first we are going to write 8 because the biggest number is 8 over here. Then before 8, what comes? 7. So, we will also write 7. Before 7, 6, but 6 is not here, then we will jump to 5 because before 6, we see 5. 5 and then 2 because 2 is the smallest number over here. That is why 2 will go at last. So, this becomes the greatest number in this sequence. Focusing on the second question. Smallest 4-digit number. Now, if you get this kind of sequence and your teacher asks you to write smallest number, is it difficult? Not at all. You just have to focus on the smallest number. The number 1. 1 is the smallest number. It starts with 1, isn't it? So, I'll write 1. Then after 1, we see 2. You have done before and after, isn't it? I have explained you how to do before and how to do after. In the same way, it will go, okay? After 1, we see 2. After 2, 3. Then most of the numbers are lost. But after 6, 7. We see 7 over here. We will write 7. So, this is the smallest number in this sequence. Sequence we have to find out. With that help of the sequence, we will write the greatest number and the smallest number. Now you are able to do how you are going to do. Now this question I am giving you from my side. Quickly write this question in your copy and also the answer. Let me give you a question. Okay, let me give 5, 7, 3 and 9. So this is a question. Now this question you have to write. This is a question and you have to write the answer. Just give me a second. Now you will be writing answer over here. What you have to do? You have to write the answer. Now let me see question number 2. For question number 2, what should I give? Okay, let me use this pen only, and my question will be 3, 2, 5 and 7. So this is the question. You have to convert this into smallest number sequence. Pick out this small number from here. This is your homework, or you can do it in your copy now itself. Now, if you are doing this in your copy, let me quickly move to the next question. Till then, you note this down in your copy, pause it, nicely write your answer, and then write in your comment also how you have done these kinds of answer. What is your answer? Comment down below. Let me also see that whether this answer is right or wrong. Okay, these two is your question. Quickly write it down. Until then, I'll move to the next question. Okay, so now we are going to do ascending order and descending order. So here I have made a question for you where it represents this first one you have to write ascending order and the second one you have to write descending order. So how are you going to find in a sequence which one is ascending? The first number, every time you have to focus on that. 7, 7, 8, 3. Which is the smallest, because ascending starts from small to big. So 3 is the smallest one. So we will write 3, 7, 3, 7. After that, what is the number? 7 and 7. After 7 both are same, then how are we going to find? We will focus on the second number. 3 and 9. Which is the smallest? 3. So we will write 7, 3, 2, 1. Then again 7, 9, 2. Then we will write 8, 3, 7, 1. So this was the answer. Simply we have written from small to big. Now in descending order, we always do from big to small. Note this question in your copy because you are going to find the descending order. Simply reverse it. We will start with 8, 3, 7, 1 and you will end with 3, 7, 3, 7. Let me show you how are we going to do. 8, 3, 7, 1. Then we will write 7, 9, 2, 2. Okay, this question I am doing for you, complete answer. Okay. Then we will write the third number over here. 7, 3, 2, 1. This is the third number. We have picked out the second number from the sequence. Okay. And then the smallest number, which is 3, 7, 3, 7. Ascending order is small to big. And descending order is big to small. I have seen most of the students, they suffer in ascending order and descending order. They are not able to find the smallest number from the sequence. That is why this revision time I have focused on ascending and descending order and also finding the greatest and smallest. So this was from your book itself. Check your book, write those questions. With this answer, you will be able to solve all the ascending and descending order. Because always I say, practice makes men perfect. If you keep on practicing maths, you will be able to solve any questions easily. So it will be very easy for you to solve maths questions. Each of them solve it out with the help of Vista's learning video. Focus on those videos. See how your teacher teaches you, how your teacher explains you the chapter and what important points she says about the topic. Suppose ascending order and descending order you have forgot. Pick out that ascending order starts from small to big. Why? You have to focus on that trick. A is the first alphabet. So remember, A is the first alphabet, which is first, and then ascending. You just keep in your mind, and then we will start ascending from small to big. A, after seeing A. D, D is after C. So focus that D, it starts from big to small. Focus on the small things, then you will be able to learn it, that ascending starts from small to big and descending starts from big to small. Same letters, focus on those letters. If you're not comfortable remembering it, pick out those small things. Now, here we have done the question. We have also solved the answer. First, we have done ascending order and then descending order. Simply questions was given. We have just reversed while finding the descending order. We have channelized from end. This was the end. Then we have brought that end towards the first one in descending order, because descending starts from big to small. Same sequence you will follow in this question, and this will be your homework. So this is your homework. You will find the ascending order and descending order for me. That's for me because I have given you this question and I want you to focus on the question. Should I help you a bit? Just focus on the first numbers. If both the numbers are same, then focus on the second. If secondary is also same, then focus on the third. But here third is also same. Then last number will never be same. 7 and 1. Now you got which one is the smallest? 1. So you will write this in the first sequence. Same way you will follow. You will write all the answers and you will comment down below, and do visit Vista's Learning for more these kinds of questions and also videos. If you're not able to find any question solving, any question you're having any doubt, just comment down below. I'll always be there for you to solve each and every questions for you. So, you have understood this session. You have also understood how to do this ascending and descending order, because most of my children were having problem in ascending and descending order. That is why I have brought in over here. Now, what you have to do, you have to help your friends. Share this video as much as possible. Help your friends in solving these kinds of questions. Till then, I'll meet you on my next class. Be safe. Keep learning from Vista's Learning. I'll meet you in the next class. Bye and take care.